Hello friends, are your lips slowly becoming dark even after using lip balm? The natural pink color not coming back? In today's video, we will talk about a cosmetic product used for lip care which is mainly used to help lighten dark lips and make them look brighter and pink. The name of this product is Lipzlite Lip Lightening Cream and it is manufactured by the well-known Indian company Zymo Cosmetics. If you want to know how dark lips can be improved and want complete information about Lipzlite Lip Lightening Cream, then watch this video till the end without skipping. Before we start, one small request: if you are new to Family Pharma YouTube channel, please subscribe and stay connected. What is Lipzlite cream? Lipzlite is a specially formulated cream mainly used to reduce dark pigmentation of the lips. It is often recommended for people whose lips have become dark due to smoking, excessive sun exposure, hormonal changes, or the use of poor quality cosmetic products. Why do lips become dark? There are several common reasons behind dark lips, such as excessive sun exposure, smoking or tobacco use, dehydration, harmful ingredients in lipstick or cosmetic products, increased melanin production in the body. When these factors persist for a long time, the natural color of the lips can gradually fade. How does Lipzlite cream work? Lipzlite cream is made with ingredients that helps reduce excessive pigmentation in the skin of the lips. It gradually lightens dark patches, reduces pigmentation and helps restore a natural pink tone. It also keeps the lips soft and smooth, helps improve the natural brightness of the lips. However, it is important to remember that Lipzlite is not a magical solution. As a cosmetic product, it works gradually and requires regular use over time. How to use Lipzlite cream? Before using Lipzlite cream, clean your lips properly. Then apply a very small amount of the cream in a thin layer 1 to 2 times daily. Using Lipzlite cream at night often gives better result. After application, avoid eating or drinking immediately. How long does it take to see results? With regular use, visible improvement may be noticed within 3 to 6 weeks. However, results can vary from person to person. For some, it may take more or less time. Possible side effects. Lipzlite cream is generally safe, but in some cases, mild side effects may occur, such as mild burning or stinging sensation, dryness, redness. These effects are more common in people with sensitive skin. As a precaution, it is best to apply the cream to a small area first and observe the reaction. Important precautions. People who have lip wounds, infections or very sensitive skin should use this product with extra caution. If you are pregnant, always consult a doctor before using this cream. Final important note, this video is created for educational purposes only. Before using Lipzlite cream for a long period, it is always safest to consult a qualified dermatologist. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. For more health related videos, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you everyone.